YouTubers, and welcome to Thursday's survey question. Today I'm travelling through Rushden, as you can see, and this is the survey question for today. 62% of kids say that this is the worst part when travelling with their parents in a car. That's the survey question for today. To thank everybody who had a go at yesterday's survey question, and which I gave the answer out yesterday. Nobody got the right answer, but lots of you did try. So I would like more people to try this survey question today, and I think it's possible that you will get the right answer. I will give the answer out tomorrow on Friday. Okay, enjoy the trip, all the very best. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that button, comment below. Thank you very much, and bye bye.